Alright guys, so you add your marinade with the lamb chops, and make sure you cover all the meat thoroughly, and don't get scared to get your hands involved. Make sure you give it a good rub. And the spices that you're using in the lamb chops, I usually marinate it overnight so the flavor really gets into the meat. So now we're going to make the masala for the lamb chops. So you're going to need 1 bell pepper, you're going to need half an onion, you're going to need some coriander and a spring onion. So let me chop it up and we'll get back to it. Alright, so you're going to need a wok, some olive oil, a little bit of Mr Naga, some soy sauce, and let me just show you how to get it done, yeah? So put your wok on high heat. Once it's on high heat, let it get a little bit hot. And then the olive oil, put it around the wok, make sure you cover everything. Add your onion. I've got a garlic press, open it up. 1, 2, put that in. Put your peppers in. Little mix. Bit of salt, seasoning to good measure. Yep. Again, good measure. It's called sumac. If you've got any sumac, it's a Turkish ingredient. It's got a little sour taste to it. So add a little bit of sumac. Around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Around 2 tablespoons. Just some honey. This is wild honey, but a little teaspoon of honey just for that balance. Teaspoon of tomato puree. Yep. A heaped teaspoon of our favorite Mr Naga. Yep. Give it a little mix. Now if the masala is a little bit too thick, what you can do, like my one is here, is just add a dash of water. A little dash of water, and this will just make it a little bit more runny so we can cover the lamb chops. So now you add the chops into the mix and in the masala, and you just give it a little toss. Make sure all the chops are coated evenly, yeah? So, and let the juices go right inside the meat, and then you're done. And that's how you do masala chops.